Okay guys, this time we will opening the unboxing the Aluminum Meat Mincer K602E. Beautiful appearance, novel design, easy to clean, light to carry, never rush. This is, you can see this, how to use it. Use hot water to clean, maintenance. You can separately the parts, so you can clean it very well. This is I buy in the store at the price like this. Let's see this. Unboxing this. This is the handle, and this is the thing. Voila, empty. Okay, let me see how to spearheads the system. This is the locker. You can lock this system to the tables. You can bring this down. You can lock in the edge of the table like this. Table is in here, like that, and you can put this on here, and you can just roll it like this. Okay, you got that. Number 10 is the same, number 10 in here, and this you can open it separately. Oh, this things is for lock like this. Sorry, I never tried this before. So the locker is safe to turn. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's see. The locker should be like this shape. Like this. The locker should be like this. You can like this. You can see the sawmill, the saw meat, as we see in the separated part, like in the dish cover. This is actually a plate. You can throw this off. Yeah, you should throw this off, and it this you can put this off. And you can turn this the plate. This is the plate. Okay, see how sharp is it, and you can turn it off. This is, see this is the inside of these things. Like this. Okay, fit like that. Okay, now we assemble again. Put in here. Oh, okay, and the plate turn to the face us, and this is lock to this side. Okay, and you can put this head. Okay, and ready to use. Ready to use. Okay, You see this? Just put in the table or surface. Put the meat upper here and turn like this, and the meat will go out from here. So thank you for watching. Okay, this time we test it out. So when we test the meat we put inside here, the meat will be pushed to the front by the wheel, and they push into the front filter, but the blood is coming first. So the meat will be so dry because the water of the blood is going out like this. We put like this, and the rotor will push the meat to the front. We are untied, but still so hard to make the meat get out. I think the blade should be make it sharply again. But the result is very good. Now like that, the meat has been coming up.